What is up, everyone? It's your girl 7LexFairy, and I am back with another one. That's right, another banger coming to you guys. So today, oh man, told you guys I'm bringing the bangers. I told you guys I am bringing the bangers. First things first, how you guys doing? If you guys are new to my channel, my name is 7LexFairy, and welcome back if you're returning. But if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys click on the beautiful red button right here to stay updated whenever I go live or upload videos. Oh man, super excited. Welcome to the channel, newcomers. So today, man, you guys have been showing massive love on my cooking/baking videos right here. Well, I've decided to create an official cooking/baking playlist for you guys. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys check them out as well. If you guys are enthusiastic about cooking and baking, or if you love 7LexFairy in general, make sure you guys check out the wonderful, playlists that I've created on this channel. So, oh man, as you guys already know, you're probably wondering, what are you doing on this channel now, Lex? Well, as you guys can probably tell from the title, I am going to be making, wait for it, that's right, I'm going to be preparing a $1 million pie for the first time on this channel. This is a no-bake recipe. That's right, a no-bake recipe. Perfect for people who are complete novices in the kitchen. This is simple, easy to make, doesn't require a lot of ingredients, and of course, it is very delicious. So, oh man, three's a charm. You guys definitely have to try this recipe if you haven't already. $1 million pie, aka millionaire pie. Simple recipe, doesn't require a lot of ingredients, easy to make. You just gotta follow the ingredients step by step. So, if you love 7LexFairy, you love baking videos in general, you love simple, easy to follow recipes, stick around and figure out, why, exactly they call it $1 million pie, and how I'm gonna prepare this recipe in general. So, if any of the following piques your interest, stick around and stay tuned. You guys know what I'm going to say next. You guys already know what I'm going to say next. Look. Put my hands up. I'll put my hands up. You guys know what I'm going to say next. I'll put my hands up. As a disclaimer, I have to start out with my disclaimer. Yes, my hands are clean. Of course, dealing with food in general, cleanliness is very important to me. This is rule number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You must have clean hands when dealing with food. It is imperative, and I do not play that when it comes to cooking in the kitchen. Cleanliness is important. Clean hands, it's all about being sanitary. Now that I've got the disclaimer out of the way, I will see you guys, that's right, I will see you guys at the ingredient table. You guys get to figure out how to make your very own $1 million pie. So stick around, stay tuned. Alright, I'm going to do some magic, and I'm going to see you guys at the ingredient table. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so here is the next shot. As you guys can see, here are my ingredients for the $1 million pie. You're probably wondering, what do we have here? So, first things first, we have Cool Whip. That's right, some shredded coconut. Ooh, shredded coconut. Some lemon juice. Some diamond pecan halves. Eagle brand condensed milk. Graham cracker pie crust. Keebler graham cracker pie crust. And last but not least, of course, Del Monte pineapple tidbits. Right here. See, I told you guys this recipe is simple, easy to make. Doesn't require a lot of things. Just get a quick little recap. And this is a no-bake pie recipe. Simple, easy to make, perfect for people who are learning how to cook or bake. So just to get some experience, this is a simple no-bake recipe where you guys get to mix your ingredients and have yourselves a $1 million pie. So what we're going to do is we're going to mix all of these ingredients together, place it in the graham cracker pie crust, and chill in the refrigerator for approximately 2 to 4 hours, or if you really have the patience, steel patience, you're going to chill it overnight. Let's get started. You probably wonder what the lemon juice is for. You will find out in the next shot. Okay, so I organized my ingredients and placed them in their proper measuring cups, as you guys can see. So first things first, I have 2 cups of pecans. I already have 1 cup already in the bowl. I'm gonna pour another cup in. So here we go. Look at this. Pour it in. Look at that. 2 cups of pecans for this recipe. I have 1 cup of pineapple tidbits. Pour in the, look at that. Pour in the pineapple tidbits. Look at them go. 1 cup of coconut. Pour the 1 cup of coconut in here. Look at this. This is a simple recipe, easy to make. So 1 cup of coconut. Condensed milk. I'm going to use the entire can of condensed milk and the entire container of Cool Whip. 1 1/2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And for lemon juice, you can use as much or as little to your liking. It's coming along nice. Coming along nice and smooth. Normally I use a 1/2 cup of these ingredients, but since I'm making a deep dish pie, you know, I had to double up on the ingredients. Coming along nice and fine. I'm gonna add some lemon juice in here. Look at this. So far, I have pineapples, coconuts, pecans, and lemon juice. Look at this. See? Simple, easy to make, no big recipe. This smells really good. I'm gonna add the entire can of condensed milk. Look at it go. Look at it go. Check that out. Make sure you mix together. You want to make sure you scrape the can. Please, please, please scrape the can. Don't leave anything in the can. Just scrape it completely. Enjoy the ASMR. Alright. This is a perfect recipe for you guys to gain experience. If you're new to cooking or baking, at least you get to learn how to measure things, how to properly mix things. Just mix it together, just like this. You can say pecans or pecans. 1 for pecans, 2 for pecans. Let me know in the comment section below, or in the chat, or in the premiere. Let me know. And last but not least, add the entire container of Cool Whip. And you want to scrape the Cool Whip bowl. Scrape out the container. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Scrape the bowl. Get your money's worth. After all, it's your money. Don't leave anything behind. Alright, you're going to mix this together. See? Simple recipe. Simple recipe. It smells really good. Wish you guys could smell the recipe. It's coming together. And you're probably wondering, well, why do they call it, million dollar pie or millionaire pie? Because of the rich texture, the rich taste. Look at it. That's why they call it $1 million pie or millionaire pie. Dropping the knowledge, dropping the fun facts on y'all. we're gonna get started. I'm gonna pause the camera because I have to wash my graham cracker pie crust lids. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, see you guys in the next shot. Okay? So the final step is to fill your pie crust. The final step is to fill your pie crust. Okay, so it looks like I don't need the second pie crust after. I can use it for something else because the deep dish did the trick. Look at that. Go ahead, deep dish. This is the final step. Look at that. Final mixing step, I should say. I'm going to just smooth it out. Just like this. Smooth it out. And this is the final product. Look at it. Look at it, guys. As you guys can see, I've added some extra pecans on top and sprinkled a little coconut for presentation. Get a good look at it. This is a no-bake pie recipe. Check it out. I'll zoom in for you guys. And the very last thing I'm going to do is place it into the refrigerator for approximately 2 to 4 hours. I'll probably let this chill overnight, just to get, all of the flavors mixed together, get the flavors infused in this $1 million pie. Look at this. And here we go. Get your last looks. This is a deep dish $1 million pie. Alright, see you guys in 24 hours.
Hours later.
Okay guys, it's been 24 hours and here is the finished product. Take a look at it. Take a look at it. Here is the finished product. It's been 24 hours.